Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rian Mashaabi, and I will give an overview about Fetal Doppler. This presentation is provided to complete the individual project requirements of the Electrical Engineering 472 Imaging Systems course. The contents of my presentation are introduction. Second is project description. After that, I will talk about principle of operation, then operating steps. Finally, I will refer to references which I used in this presentation. The ultrasonic fetal heart detector is a low-cost device used in a variety of healthcare settings for detecting the heartbeat of the fetus. Mothers and healthcare workers can quickly gauge the health of the fetus using the unit. Detectors of fetal heart sounds can be used early in pregnancy, starting as early as 8 weeks. Furthermore, the accuracy with which most units estimate the fetal heart rate makes these devices valuable diagnostic tools. The picture on the left is a handheld fetal Doppler, and on the right is portable fetal Doppler. Product description. Fetal heart detectors use ultrasonic waves to provide audible and visual information. The probe is placed on the maternal abdomen and consists of an ultrasound generator and appropriate ultrasound transducers. Ultrasonic heartbeat detectors amplify the audible frequency shift signal of the returned ultrasonic waves and deliver it to speakers or headphones. Heart rate is determined either by the beats per minute by using automated autocorrelation procedures. Within 10 weeks of conception, these devices can detect fetal heart activity. Advanced units can even detect bidirectional blood flow, allowing the clinician to evaluate maternal vessels such as the uterine artery. Principle of operation. Fetal heart detectors send high-frequency sound waves either continuously or in the form of pulses. Continuous wave technology creates and transmits sound like an electric current passing through the crystal, while another crystal detects echoes from structures in the body. In pulsed Doppler systems, each crystal alternately transmits ultrasound and detects the reflected waves. Both systems convert the reflected wave into an electrical signal to create an audible sound or waveform. The ultrasound heartbeat detector amplifies the audible frequency shift signal of the returned ultrasound waves and delivers it to headphones or speakers. Heart rate is determined either by the timing of peaks in the Doppler signal or by automated autocorrelation procedures. Operating steps. Ultrasound waves are transmitted in and out of the body with the help of an acoustic coupling gel. The probe is placed on the mother's abdomen. If the scanned structures are in motion, the frequency of the returning sound waves changes in proportion to the speed and direction of the moving structures. Fetal heart detectors amplify this sound change in frequency, known as a Doppler shift, and direct it to speakers or headphones. References use the website of World Health Organization and ICRI Institute. Thank you for listening.